Hi everyone, it's Heidi from flutterbyheidi.co.uk, back again with another project for you, and this is another project using the Rooted in Nature stamp set. You see these beautiful skeleton leaves that are so pretty and so detailed. I thought nothing nicer than to create one to showcase those skeleton leaves and also to showcase three of our new in colours. That's the 2018-2020. We've got Grapefruit Grove and Call Me Clover and Pineapple Punch. So lovely, three really bright colours, and then just finished off there with some panels of card as well to show those off. So very straightforward card to make, and one that really makes use of our grid paper. So without further ado, let's get on with the project. So to start off with, you're going to need a panel of Whisper White card, and this is 4 3/4 by 3 inches. So you literally just need to centre that along your grid like so. So nice and square. And then I started with the middle stamp. So just open my Call Me Clover. And there's two sizes of skeleton leaves here, and so I'm using the larger one. And I'm just going to use that central line along the centre of the leaf. And there's a central leaf. Obviously you could repeat stamp with the same size leaf if you wanted to. I'm using the smaller leaf that comes with it just for a change, and also to save clean my stamp off too many times. So I'm going to go with Grapefruit Grove on the right hand side there, and I'm just centering that in between the leaf and the side. And obviously I'm going to need to clean my stamp off now, so I'm just going to use my Stampin' Scrub to do that, and obviously knock my stamp off at the same time. And then I need my Pineapple Punch, and again do the same, just centre that. And then rather than black, I'm actually using early espresso for the sentiment. And I'm just popping that again just by eye in the centre there. I like early espresso because it's just not quite as harsh as black. I think that looks good when you create a background. So next I've cut 3 panels of card, and these are 3.5 inches by 1 3/4 inches. So I'm just going to lay those out again, just centralising those. And this is where you can use your grid line. So you can see there's like 3 little boxes and 1. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. Then keeping them together. Easier said than done. I'm going to use my adhesive just to pop that some glue on the back of my Whisper White card. So just pop that on here. And I'm actually going to put some down the centre, which I don't normally, but just to make sure that keeps that together. So just keeping those lined up, and then I'm going to pop my panel on there as well. Just pop that down. So you can see there's the background, as simple as that. I've created a card base out of thick Whisper White cardstock, and I've actually used a piece that is 8 inches by 5 3/4 inches, just to keep the dimensions and the borders nice and even. And I've just run out of dimensionals at the moment, so I'm going to be using just some a sticky pad that I happen to have left over from, I have to say, from my pre-Stampin' Up days. So it just goes to show I really do use my Stampin' Up dimensionals all the time, because they're so good and they're so convenient rather than cutting sticky tape all the time. So, but needs must when you've just run out. And once I just pop some pieces all over there, remove the backing paper, then you can line that up on the front of your card. as you'll see, just gives a nice border all the way around. And then I'm just going to use some some rhinestones to pop on there, and I'm using different sizes, just scattering them about. And there we go. And there we have a really quick, easy and effective card, just to say a quick "you are wonderful" to somebody. I hope you've enjoyed that project. Don't forget, if you'd like any of the items you've seen today, pop along to my Stampin' Up shop, heidismith.stampinup.net, and I'd be delighted if you chose me as your demonstrator. Thanks for watching. More projects on my blog, www.flutterbyheidi.co.uk. Bye now.